telling with
tutorial anyone can do. We got a circular wound to the head that we're just gonna kind of darken up the blood there, freshen it up, and then we're making it seem like that's the person he killed with the hammer. So obviously on the ball of the hammer there's gonna be blood, maybe some on the claw, and then utilizing both the tool and a bloody head, we're gonna bloody up the hands. I told him to do more dabbing because when the blood's a little thinner and you swipe it on there, you'll see brushstrokes, and we don't want to see brushstrokes. But giving some validity to the character here. Just keep in mind you can do too much blood where you lose the detail in the work.